In this video, I'll be talking about Book of Meme right here. Is it worth buying right now or it is too late? Okay, so this might be your last chance of buying because this market has dropped about 21.37% in the last 24 hours. So watch this video till the very end. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Paradise. On this very channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, day trading strategy, and many more opportunities that you can take advantage of in the crypto space to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, technical analysis, and day trading. Right here on coin market cap, if you go right here and search for BOME, so BOME right here, which is Book of Meme, you will have the price at the moment, which is 0.01317, and this market is already down by 21.19% as a recording of this video. And if you notice, the market is down right now. So is it worth buying this very token, or is it a good token that you can put in your portfolio in this very bull market? Now you discover that the market is already down, but what we see right here, if I go to all, this market have done about 1.2k%, okay, as at the listing of this very coin, or as at the first listing and an exchange on this very token. And you notice that the market cap as at last week was about $1 billion, and we have a significant decline in the market cap right now to $725 million at this very point. Now this is a very new token, and it is the 122nd coin by market cap, and we have the 24 hours trading volume of $2.1 billion, which is the 11th position on the market cap by 24-hour trading volume. And if you look at it right down, you see that the circulating supply of this very coin right now is 55.1 billion, okay, and the total supply that we see right here is 68.9 billion, and the max supply is unknown for the moment. And if you go down a little bit, you discover that this very coin is on the Solana blockchain. So we have this coin being hosted or developed on the Solana blockchain. And if you go down a little bit to check this very tag, you discover that this is a meme token on the Solana ecosystem. So this is very important. This is a very little or brief on-chain analysis that you must have to know about this very token right here. Now for me, it is a good meme to hold in this very bull market, and I'm going to show you something very important on technical analysis. This is just on-chain, and this is very important because if you want to buy this coin right now, for me, this is the right time to jump in with the little amount that you are willing to lose, okay? So don't invest what you don't have the capacity to lose, okay? So you invest only what you can lose. And right here on this very chart on TradingView, you discover that the market moved upward from this very point at initial listing of 0.00027 upward to this very area of 0.030, okay, and the market dropped right down. I have not taken any position on this very token, but after this video I am going to take a position based on what I'm going to show you right now. If you notice, this market has moved significantly upward, and now we are seeing a significant decline to the downside. What this means is that all the people that bought at pre-sale, or the ways that bought the market at this very point for this very severe pump to the upside, are actually selling off, and right now will be the best time for you to buy for the next move on this very coin to the upside. What I am actually looking at, like I always say, when you see a new listing, if you did not partake in the pre-sale or you did not get the token prior to the listing, that means you need to relax for the coin to retrace, give you a nice opportunity for you to enter again at a discount price. So if you look at this very coin right here, discover that the market have retraced significantly to the downside, and this is very, very important. So if you take the measure tool at this very area and then you move from this very initial price of listing upward to this very area, you discover that the markets have moved significantly upward about 4.3k%. Okay, and right now market is coming back to the downside, and if you notice, the market has dropped from its initial listing to this all-time high. Market has dropped more than 50%. Okay, and this is a significant drop. Like I always tell you, anytime you see the market move significantly upward for a new token, allow the market to come back down for about 30% to 50% retracement. That will give you a nice discount price for you to buy again, for the market to move to the upside with certain patterns. And right here, we've seen the market move significantly downward for about 50% retracement, because if you look at this from here to this area is 50%, and from here to this area is another 50%, making it 100%. Okay, from this very point to this very area. And right now the market has dropped from here to this very point right now. So what it means is that this is a very important point on the chart that you can take advantage of this very price action and buy this very token to the upside. It is not always advisable for you to buy at the peak. Now, one important thing you need to always know is that when you buy at discount price, it saves you a lot of dollars. That is why buying at discount is always very important. Another thing is that when you buy at discount, let's say for example at this very area, when the market begins to move to the upside a little bit, you will enter profit more quickly than the people that bought at this very point or at the very top at this very area. So this is very, very important. Right now, I am looking at this very level of support to hold the market, for the market to move to the upside. So from this very area, we see the market to move upward. This was the first support area before market begin to move upward again. So this very point on the chart is very, very important right now. So I am expecting market to, from this very area to where the market is right now at this very point, is a good zone to buy at this very area for the market to move upward. So this is what I am expecting. So this is the first thing you should be watching right now on BOME. Okay, so market from this very point is going to move to the upside, this very level of support, and where the market is right now, which is also a little support at this very point. So this very area is an important level to watch for the market to begin to move to the upside. That means you are buying at a discount price from others, or from people that bought at this very area and this very area at this very point, and even those that bought at the very peak at this very area. So this is very important. Another thing you need to also watch on this very price chart is a fair swing. Okay, what I mean by fair swing is this. Okay, so market is moving downward right now. So market move down and then come into this very area, which is what I'm expecting. Market should move up again, and then the next move should fail to create a new low at this very point. So from here, we have a fair swing at this very area, and then from here, market begin to move to the upside. Once the market break this very level of resistance, then that means it is a good time for the market to begin to pump upward. What that also means is that the market have done with it or retracement. So retracement have ended. That is what it means, and the market is going to begin to move to the upside. So this is one of the things you need to pay attention to on your chart while watching this very level that I talk about in this very video. Another thing you must have to pay attention to is a double bottom formation. So if market come back down into this very level, and then we see the market move up a little bit, come back down to retest the same level and then move upward, a breakout on this level of resistance is also an indication that the retracement that we are seeing in the market right now have ended, and that the market is going to begin to move to the upside. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on this very chart. So what I am expecting is for the market to move a little bit downward into this very zone of support right here, and this area of support right here where the market is. From this very area, I will be paying attention to this very pattern that I've just talked about. Then market is going to move to the upside. That would be the best time for you to buy book of meme for the massive ride to the upside. Now, if you ask me, can I still buy right now if I know nothing about technical analysis? Yes, definitely, because if you look at this very area, in this very zone, which is where the market is right now, you see the market coming into this very area can move all of a sudden to the upside. So if you buy right now where the market is, then you are also buying at a discount. It's also a good place or good position or price level to buy from this very area where the market is right now, notwithstanding or not knowing anything about double top formation or double bottom formation or fail swing in the market. So this is what you must have to watch right now. Now, the next thing in this very video is this very token worth buying? Now, you must have to understand that meme coins or meme tokens have no real value. Okay, so it is just for fun. Since it have no real value, you must have to consider your risks appropriately, not risking what you are not willing to lose. Okay, so you only risk what you are willing to lose on this very coin. And like I said, it is one of the good meme token that you can have in your portfolio for this very bull market. So this is very important. So risk what you can afford to lose and wait for the market to do the job for you to the upside. Book of Meme is one of the good coins that I will be adding to my portfolio once I see this pattern formation that I just talked about play out and market entry into this very zone. I am going to also back a little of this into my portfolio. So this is the exact same thing I am doing right now for this very bull market. So if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. And if you have not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, check the description. You see the link, register right now and claim all the bonuses. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.